In this video, we're going to discuss some unusual interactions between two GEO satellites. From mid-September to October 28, 2024, LDPE-3A remained further east than SJ-23. On October 28, LDPE-3A was positioned at 111.2 degrees east, while SJ-23 was at 98.5 degrees east, a difference of 12.7 degrees. On October 29th, LDPE-3A increased its semi-major axis by approximately 229 kilometers, reversing its eastward drift of 1.0 degrees per day and initiating a westward drift of about 1.9 degrees per day. This first video begins on October 30th when LDPE-3A's drift reversal becomes evident. From October 30th to November 3rd, SJ-23, still moving eastward at 0.7 degrees per day, overtakes LDPE-3A. On November 4th, LDPE-3A decreased its altitude by 192.2 kilometers, reversing its westward drift and beginning a new eastward drift at 0.5 degrees per day. Between November 4th and 5th, LDPE-3A and SJ-23 reached 2 points of closest approach. We can see the range between the two objects decreasing substantially around this time. This video has shown the events from October 30th to November 6th in an inertial reference frame, highlighting the key maneuvers and relative motion of LDPE-3A and SJ-23. Next, we will look at the same time frame but from a fixed reference frame, providing a closer view of the encounter. This perspective will better illustrate the relative motion between the two satellites. Additionally, data displays will show RIC values and range information, offering more insight into their separation and trajectory changes. The next video focuses on the first point of closest approach on November 4th at approximately 1945 UTC, when LDPE-3A and SJ-23 came within less than 90 kilometers of each other. During this event, the covariance spheres transition from green to yellow as the satellites enter the close approach phase, highlighting the decreasing separation. The optimal lighting conditions at this moment provided LDPE-3A with a clear opportunity to observe SJ-23. The next video focuses on the second point of closest approach, which occurred 12 hours later on November 5th at approximately 0745 UTC. At this point, LDPE-3A and SJ-23 came within less than 25 kilometers of each other. Once again, the covariance spheres transition from green to yellow as the satellites enter the close approach phase. The favorable lighting conditions provided another opportunity for LDPE-3A to observe SJ-23 at close range. This analysis was created by Integrity ISR and LSAS. A full write-up is available in the February issue of the Integrity Flash newsletter.